Hyde Tools Heat-Safe Contour Scraper is a durable and efficient tool for precise scraping tasks, especially when used with heat guns. Its 10-inch heat-resistant metal shaft prevents melting or warping during high-temperature operations. Featuring a quick-change blade system with 6 stainless steel blades offering 12 scraping contours, it's versatile for tasks like molding, chair rails, and casings. The blades are durable and resharpenable for extended use. Perfect for detailed scraping projects, this scraper is a reliable choice for professionals seeking precision and heat-safe performance. Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper is a practical solution for cleaner, more efficient paint removal and scraping tasks. It connects to wet-dry vacuums, capturing 99% of dust and debris to reduce mess and improve air quality. Equipped with a durable 2.5-inch replaceable carbide blade, it handles paint, varnish, glue, and more with ease. The ergonomic textured handle ensures comfort, while the removable pull knob with a hammerhead adds leverage and nail removal functionality. Ideal for professionals and homeowners, this scraper streamlines tasks for a safer, tidier workspace. Hilltip WeedStriker Hot Water Weed Control Unit offers an eco-friendly and effective solution for eliminating weeds without chemicals. Using hot water heated to 98 degrees Celsius, it targets and kills weeds by damaging their cell membranes, including herbicide-resistant types. Equipped with precise nozzles, it minimizes harm to surrounding plants and is safe for immediate use after treatment. Controlled via the Strike Smart smartphone app and compatible with the H-Track tracking system, it ensures ease of operation and efficient management. Ideal for pathways, driveways, patios, parking lots, and agricultural or industrial areas, it provides a sustainable approach to weed control. Matco Tools MUHL1000 is a compact and rechargeable underhood light offering 1,000 lumens of bright, even illumination with its cob LED design. Ideal for automotive tasks, it features 360 degrees swiveling hooks and strong magnets for versatile mounting, freeing your hands for work. Built to endure tough conditions, it boasts high impact resistance and extended battery life. Its USB Type-C port ensures fast and convenient charging, while the lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry and use. This durable light is perfect for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Makinex Hose to Go is a portable and innovative water supply system, ideal for construction, rental, and landscaping applications. Its pumpless design eliminates the need for batteries or electrical power, ensuring reliability and reducing maintenance. With a constant flow of 7 to 10 pounds per square inch for up to 30 minutes, it effectively supports dust suppression during cutting, core drilling, and grinding operations. Lightweight and compact, it offers 2 carrying positions for easy portability. Simple to use, it provides consistent performance without downtime, making it a cost-effective and efficient tool for professionals seeking enhanced safety and productivity on the job. Inco AHM 112 auto-darkening welding goggles provide reliable protection and convenience for welding tasks, particularly suited for hobbyists and occasional use. They feature an auto-darkening lens that shields the eyes from harmful UV and IR radiation, while ensuring a clear view of the work area. Designed for comfort during prolonged use, the goggles include an adjustable headband and durable construction to withstand demanding environments. Powered by a solar cell and lithium battery, they offer long-lasting performance. Affordable and practical, they are ideal for general welding applications, but may not meet the advanced needs of professional welders or specialized tasks. DTX tooling line launchers are air-powered devices designed for precise and efficient line deployment in industries like arboriculture, rescue operations, utilities, and construction. They offer safe, environmentally friendly operation without explosives, featuring built-in pressure gauges for accuracy, minimal noise and recoil for urban use, and a compact, durable design for portability and reliability. Popular models include the shoulder shot for up to 250 feet reach, the Canyon launcher for 500 feet, and the Rescue Line launcher, optimized for precision in emergency situations, making them indispensable tools for professionals across various fields. IQ Vise jaws are versatile, double-sided attachments for the IQ Vise, offering tailored solutions for various applications like woodworking, leatherwork, and securing irregular shapes. Their configurations include textured rubber for non-slip gripping, compression foam for delicate materials, and non-marring surfaces to prevent damage. The woodworking jaws provide a firm grip on hardwood boards, while the sure-fit jaws handle odd-shaped parts and cylindrical objects effectively. Leather-specific jaws feature a soft surface for gentle handling. Easy to install and built for reliability, these jaws enhance precision and efficiency in workshops. Their adaptability makes them a valuable tool for diverse work-holding tasks. Milwaukee M18 Magnetic Extendable Boom Light is a versatile cordless work light offering 2,500 lumens of TrueView high-definition output for bright illumination in tight or poorly lit spaces. It features two articulating arms with 900 degrees vertical and 890 degrees horizontal rotation, allowing precise light direction. A strong magnetic base securely attaches to metal surfaces for hands-free operation, while the M18XC 5.0 battery delivers up to 12 hours of runtime on low. Built for durability, it is impact-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and IP54 rated. Additional features include a storage boot to protect the magnet, an easy-release mechanism, and warranties for the tool and LEDs. This robust light is ideal for professionals and demanding projects. The Blaster Sander, developed by Cohen Mukins, is an innovative handheld power tool that combines the power of a sandblaster with the portability of a cordless design. Compact and easy to use, it's ideal for sanding in tight spaces or on various surfaces. Its spinning ceramic disc technology propels grit particles at high speeds, making it efficient for tasks like removing paint, rust, and dirt from metal, wood, and other materials. Equipped with safety features such as a protective handguard and adjustable grit control, it ensures a controlled sanding experience. The tool's versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly design make it a game-changer in industries like automotive restoration, metal fabrication, and woodworking. GRR Ripper Safe Rip Kit is an essential upgrade for GRR Ripper push block users, offering enhanced safety and precision for table saw operations. It prevents accidental contact between the push block's center leg and the saw blade, significantly reducing the risk of injury. With a clear cursor for precise leg positioning and easy installation, it streamlines your workflow for safer, accurate cuts. Built with durable materials, the Safe Rip Kit ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Designed for both the original GRR Ripper and GRR Ripper Plus, this kit is a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit, combining safety, efficiency, and accuracy. Klein Tools Power Strip Pro is a versatile and convenient power strip designed to enhance your workspace. It features powerful rare earth magnets that securely attach to metal surfaces like job boxes and workbenches. The 2-foot-long, low-profile design accommodates large power adapters and plugs, while the down-angled LED work light with 3 modes offers improved visibility. Equipped with 5 surge-protected AC outlets and multiple USB ports, including USB-C, it efficiently powers and charges various devices. With a 5-foot cord for flexible placement and durable construction, this power strip is a reliable addition to any professional workspace. Fantic Fold S1 Apex Cordless Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed for precision and convenience. Its adjustable torque ring with 8 settings and real-time LED torque display ensures accuracy while protecting delicate screws. Featuring a unique folding design with 4 angles, it adapts to various tasks, reducing hand fatigue. The dual speed modes, 100 revolutions per minute for delicate jobs and 250 revolutions per minute for faster work, add versatility, while the 2,500 mAh battery delivers extended power. A magnetic storage box and 20 included bits provide organization and flexibility, complemented by an LED light for low-light work. Compact, portable, and durable, it's ideal for precision tasks and everyday repairs. Tight Reach Extension Clamp is a handy tool engineered for accessing tight and challenging spaces with ease. It offers a 10-inch extended reach, enabling effortless access to bolts and nuts in hard-to-reach areas. With a robust vise-like grip, it firmly holds fasteners in place, preventing drops and simplifying tasks. Despite its extended functionality, the tool remains compact and maneuverable, perfect for confined spaces. Constructed for durability, it withstands heavy use and tough environments. The clamp saves time by reducing the need for part removal and protects hands from strain during intricate work. Available in various sizes, it ensures versatility for diverse applications. WorkPro 5-in-1 Interchangeable Pliers Set combines 5 essential tools into one compact, space-saving design. It features interchangeable heads, including needle nose, diagonal cutting, wire stripper, crimping, and linesman pliers, which can be swapped quickly with a simple twist. Made from high-quality steel, the set ensures durability and reliable performance, while ergonomic non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip and reduce hand fatigue. The pliers come with a compact storage case, making them easy to organize and transport. This versatile set is ideal for electricians, mechanics, and hobbyists, offering efficiency, convenience, and long-lasting usability in a single tool. FAR Tools. Rex 120 is a powerful and adaptable tool designed for effectively removing paint, rust, and coatings from surfaces like metal, wood, and masonry. Equipped with a 1,300-watt motor, it offers variable speed control from 900 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, ensuring precision for various materials and tasks. Its large 120mm brush diameter covers a wider area for quicker results, while the integrated dust extraction port keeps the workspace cleaner. Ergonomically designed for reduced fatigue, this tool is perfect for extended use. The FAR Tools Rex 120 delivers dependable performance for both professionals and hobbyists tackling surface preparation jobs. Woodpeckers SF Pro Router Table Fence. Upgrade Kit enhances your existing super fence, transforming it into a precision-engineered SF Pro system. This kit features a micro-adjustable fence for 0.001-inch precision, ratcheting levers for tool-free adjustments, and a low-profile base that boosts stability and rigidity. Elevated knobs ensure comfortable operation, while the integrated dust port keeps your workspace clean. Compatible with all Woodpecker's router tables, it's easy to install. Simply swap out the base, transfer tracks, attach micro-adjust modules, and connect the dust system. Upgrade for improved accuracy, ease of use, and a cleaner, more stable cutting experience. Woodpeckers. Phenolic clamping cauls are essential woodworking tools designed to evenly distribute clamping pressure for strong, precise glue-ups. Crafted from durable, moisture-resistant phenolic material, these cauls are cambered with a slight curve to ensure uniform pressure across the workpiece. Their non-porous surface resists glue buildup and is easy to clean, while various sizes accommodate diverse project needs. By reducing the number of clamps required, they enhance efficiency and protect workpieces from damage. Ideal for creating durable glue joints, these long-lasting cauls are straightforward to use, making them invaluable for woodworking enthusiasts. The CC Electric Car Jack is a compact and powerful tool designed to simplify tire changes and automotive maintenance. With a hydraulic system and 12-volt DC motor, it effortlessly lifts vehicles weighing up to 5 tons. Weighing only 16.5 pounds, it's portable and easy to store, making it perfect for both emergencies and routine tasks. The package includes an electric impact wrench for quick lug nut removal and a tire inflator for on-the-spot repairs. Safety is ensured with overload protection and a safety lock, while a digital display enhances ease of use. This reliable and versatile tool is a must-have for car owners. Coast CL40R Rechargeable LED Work Light delivers 3,900 lumens of bright illumination, perfect for large work areas. It features a dual power system for flexibility, running on a rechargeable battery or AC/DC power. A durable aluminum clamp ensures secure attachment, while 360-degree rotation and 115-degree tilt provide precise beam placement. Built tough with IP54 water resistance, it handles harsh conditions with ease. Additional features like a power bank function and battery life indicator enhance convenience, making it an essential tool for any task. Klein Tools Magnetic Wire Puller is an innovative tool designed to make pulling wires behind finished walls or enclosed spaces effortless. It features rare earth magnets for a secure hold and a flexible stainless steel leader to thread wires through tight spaces. The handheld unit includes rolling wheels to protect walls and a 180-degree pivot handle for precise control. Simply attach the wire, thread the leader, and guide it smoothly using the magnetic connection. This tool is efficient, saving time and effort compared to traditional methods. Durable and versatile, it works with various wire and cable types, making it ideal for professionals and homeowners alike. The Milescraft Edge Sander is a practical tool for efficiently sanding 2 edges of a board at once, saving time and effort. Its V-groove design accommodates boards from 1/4 inches to 1.5 inches wide, delivering uniform sanding on both edges. Compatible with standard 5 inches hook and loop sanding discs, it offers flexibility in grit selection for various tasks. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use and consistent pressure application, ideal for veneer, laminate, and other projects, This versatile tool ensures a smooth, professional finish while being cost-effective and easy to operate for all skill levels. NKT Fastener's Deck Pro system ensures sleek, barefoot-friendly decks with hidden screws for a seamless finish. Its ergonomic tool simplifies installation, securely fastening boards without visible hardware. Compatible with various board widths and materials, it's built for durability in outdoor conditions. The system enhances deck aesthetics, creating a safe, splinter-free surface ideal for bare feet. Designed for efficiency and long-lasting performance, Deck Pro is perfect for achieving a professional modern look with ease. The Trelawney MHS 11-floor scabbler is a robust tool designed for efficient concrete surface preparation. It excels in tasks like latence removal, roughening surfaces for better coating adhesion, leveling uneven areas, and stripping coatings. With 24,000 blows per minute, it ensures high productivity, while its low vibration design enhances operator comfort. The built-in dust shroud improves worksite cleanliness, and interchangeable heads offer versatility for varied applications. Durable and efficient, it's an excellent choice for professional construction needs. Recon Tools T1M Digital Tape Measure is a durable and innovative tool designed for precision and efficiency. Drop-rated to 2 meters and water-resistant, it withstands tough job site conditions. Key features include Bluetooth connectivity for seamless data transfer, a rechargeable USB-C battery, and multiple unit displays. Its replaceable blades and optimized multi-position use enhance functionality, while additional features in the T1 Tomahawk model, like a green laser and magnetic tip, add precision. Ideal for professionals, it offers accurate measurements, streamlined processes, and durable performance. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.